In this video, you're going to learn how to attach a script to a part so that we can duplicate our spinning parts with ease. So taking our script from our last video, I'm going to delete the wait 5 seconds, so it's just going to run at the start. And now if we go in and we duplicate our spinning part a couple times and then hit play, you'll see that the duplicates don't spin at all, just our first one. That's because our code is only selecting one part to spin. And there's actually a super easy way to fix this. But first, we need to understand what a parent is and what a child is in Roblox Studio. I'm sure you already know what it is in real life, but here's what it means in Roblox Studio. The part we added to the workspace is considered the child of the workspace, which makes the workspace the parent of the part. You can see that something is a child of the workspace because its icon is set in to the right of its parent. All these are the children of the workspace, but then you can see players and lighting are not, because their icons are aligned with the workspace's globe icon here. If you go into the workspace, we can see our walls folder and our stairs folder, which are both child of the workspace, but then these parts are children of the stairs folder. So things can be both parents and children. Again, like we did earlier, if you wanted to access something that was inside a folder inside the workspace, you would just write workspace dot whatever the folder name is, in this case stairs, and then the part name. In this case, they're all named part, but you would write whatever the part name is there. Now here's how this applies to the spinner part. Let's take our script and then drag it down to spinner part. Make sure it has a black outline around the name and then let go. And now the script becomes a child of the spinner part. See? We can check because it has this black arrow. And instead of selecting our part with workspace.spinner part, we can actually just write script.parent, which will select the script's parent, which in this case is the spinner part. So instead of saying workspace.spinner part, we say script.parent, which selects the parent of our script, which in this case is the spinner part, as you can see over here. And so now if we hit play, it should do the exact same thing. And there we go, it's spinning. I think we might have a duplicate, so so I'm just gonna delete one of the duplicates. I actually deleted the duplicate that didn't have the child script, see? And now we have our spinner part that still has the script. And now if I duplicate this part that has the script as the child, we can see that now both these parts have the script. And so both of them will be made to spin by the scripts that are inside them. So I'm duplicating a third one, and each one of these has the script inside it. And so if I hit play, you'll see that all of them are rotating. So you can have as many as you want in yours, but I'm just gonna have one in mine. Okay, so now I'm gonna change our spinner part size and then we'll move it into place. Let's leave it at 4 and 1, but let's make it a little bit longer by saying 10. There, so we have a sort of plank to walk on, and then I'm gonna line it up with our platform over here. Change the camera angle a few times to make sure that you have it exactly where you mean it to be. So I'm gonna have it lined up. Okay. See, I just changed the angle and it was kind of confusing. Line it up. There we go. Awesome. And now I'm gonna move it off to the side a little bit. And we also want this other platform to jump onto. So I click on this, I hit Control D, duplicated it, and dragged it over here. And I don't want this platform in with the stairs. So I'm gonna click on the name and just drag it up to workspace. So it's no longer a child of our stairs folder, it's actually a child of the workspace. Okay, so you just learned about parents and children in Roblox Studio. Then you made your script the child of a part, and you used script.parent to modify the part so you could easily duplicate your spinners. In the next video, we're gonna make a platform that acts like an elevator moving up and down. So when you're ready, go ahead and click on the next video.